I want to share with you 3 techniques that allowed me to manifest a $1 million business. This is scripting to manifest money, and these are 3 techniques when I was struggling year after year. My wife, she was my girlfriend at the time, was in debt, and I started doing these every day and every single night. Very, very easy and simple to rewire my mind. A few years later, now am really grateful to God and the universe to say that I have a $1 million business and my life changed forever. And I'm really excited to see what amazing things you can create and the money that you can manifest in your life using these 3 simple scripting or journaling or writing techniques to rewire your mind to bring more money in your life. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and let's dive right into this video. Step number 1 is a 1-line statement of your ideal finances in the present tense. So for me, I actually fluctuated between 2, and in this video, this is tutorial, right? So I want to make sure that you actually write this down here. So I had 2. Mine was, I am so grateful I'm making millions of dollars and inspiring millions of people. And then the other was, I'm so grateful large sums of money come to me quickly and easily as I earn, and I write in, how much I'm earning. So I recommend you use the latter. I'm so grateful large sums of money come to me quickly and easily as I earn, and then write in your goal. A month or a year, I'm so grateful I earn X amount a month or X amount a year. But if you like the previous one, I'm so grateful I'm inspiring, and maybe, I'm so grateful I'm inspiring 20 new clients a month and I'm making X amount of dollars. You could use a similar pattern as my first, which was about impact and income. I'm so grateful I'm inspiring millions of people and making millions of dollars. You pick which one speaks to you the most. And what I did is I'd switch generally between days, going to one to the other. And I would take about a page like this, and I would literally just write. What I would do is I'd put earphones in, and I created a success hypnosis for myself because I wanted to bombard all my senses with this new reality, right? So in this instance, I've got my eyes because they're seeing what I'm writing. My touch is involved with the pen that I'm writing. My hearing is involved because I've got my hypnosis playing, just to stimulate it all so I could start to build new neural connections in my brain towards prosperity rather than the lack of it that I was seeing in my life. So if you want to use that, I recommend it. It's jakeshypnosis.com right there down below. jakeshypnosis.com, and it's totally free. Over 300,000 people all over the world have used it. And you could play that softly while you do this. And then what you'll do is, I recommend headphones, so it's right there down below, jakeshypnosis.com. It's pinned to the top of the comments. And then you can play that softly. And then over and over, I write out, I am so grateful that large sums of money come to me quickly and easily as I'm earning, $1,000 extra a month, as I'm earning this amount a year, whatever it is. I'm so grateful large sums of money come to me quickly and easily as I'm earning a month, a year. Or I'm so grateful I'm inspiring 5 new clients a week or a month or a year, and I'm earning this amount of money. I'm so grateful I am inspiring X amount of people doing this and this and this as I earn this amount a month. Essentially, it's hypnotic writing. Hypnosis is when you can move your brainwave state into a state called theta, which is generally the state you're in when you're in hypnosis, because you're bypassing the conscious mind. The conscious mind is relaxed enough where you can directly access the subconscious mind. And so I play my hypnosis. It's jakeshypnosis.com right there down below. And then I would write this over. I'd do it every single morning and every night. Only take me a few minutes. And I would write the same statement over and over and over. There's probably 15 or 20 lines, so maybe I'd write it 15 or 20 times. If I was feeling really good, I'd go for numerous pages, 2-3 pages. Obviously, the more the better, because you're spending a longer time immersing your subconscious in a new idea. So step number one is pick a clear financial statement. What I invite you to do is write it there down below to supercharge it. I'm going to read everyone's through, send everyone my positive energy, and I invite every single person watching this video to scroll through the comments, and every time you see someone else leaving their financial statement, send them positive energy for great success and unexpected financial miracles coming their way. So comment down below, I am so grateful large sums of money come to me quickly and easily, and then write whatever it is you're earning. An extra $1,000 a month, an extra or a total of this a year, whatever it is. Comment that down below, your financial statement. This is going to be your statement for the first scripting technique. It'll only take you a few minutes, and what it's going to do as you do this every day, it'll only take 5 minutes probably. If you do it every morning and every night, what you're going to do is slowly and surely, totally, absolutely reprogram the subconscious, which is what's going to bring more money into your life. As I did this, I started attracting new people, new circumstances, and new situations in my life that were bringing about prosperity in my life. So jakeshypnosis.com is right there down below. Comment down below, large sums of money come to me quickly and easily. Let's move on to number 2. So step number 2 is really just a technique to make sure is clear in the previous. So write over and over and over again that statement, but make sure it's in the present tense. So go from I want to I have, or I am. Go from I wish to I have. Go from I want to I am. So the reason that you're doing that is because the subconscious mind only receives information in the present tense. There's a lot of people that want more money. There's a lot of people that wish, that desire, that dream of more money. And they still don't have it. Why? Because it's a desire in the future tense. Albert Einstein showed us time doesn't really exist. And so the only time that matters is right now. Actually, right now is what determines the future. And if your desire for more money is in the future, then you do not have it now. And if you do not have it now, you cannot have it tomorrow. Does that make sense? So go from I want to I am. Comment that down below. From I want to I am, or I wish to I have. It might feel odd at first because you've never done it before, but as you're writing that statement, I'm so grateful large sums of money come to me quickly and easily as I earn this amount a month or this amount a year. I am so grateful. What's happening is hypnotic writing starts to take place with the constant suggestion, especially when you use the hypnosis to start to retrain your subconscious and put you into a brainwave state more aligned with theta. What happens is your subconscious starts to receive this as already being true. That's the point of scripting, is that you use scripting to suggest a new reality to your subconscious, and either right away, for some people it works instantly, for some people it takes a week, for some people it takes a day, for some people it takes a year, and it's a gradual process for some people. It all depends on how quickly and how truly you can use these ideas and how much programming you're rewriting in your subconscious. But your subconscious will think that it's real if you go from I have, I wish to I am. If you go from I desire, rather, to I am, or I wish to I have, then your mind thinks it's real and it starts to create it for you. That's the exciting magic of scripting. Number 3, the third technique as a bonus goes back to my first part. I said, I'm making millions of dollars and inspiring millions of people. I'm inspiring millions of people and making millions of dollars. Is add the service to it. Albert Einstein said, and I'm paraphrasing here, that his main goal was to think the way God thinks, was to understand the thoughts of God. What is God? God is this universal matrix that creates all energy, all matter, that you can call it spirit, you can call it consciousness, the universe, creative intelligence, divine mind. It doesn't matter what you call it. Alan Watts says you cannot get wet by the word water. You can't get wet by the word water. It's not the word itself. But Albert Einstein said that he wants to think the way that God thinks. How does God think, or how does the universe think? Constant expansion, constant abundance, constant generosity. Every day the sun comes up. It never asks anything from us. Never like, hey Jake, can you do something for me now? It just constantly gives to us. That's what the universe does. That's what God does. And when your consciousness gets in alignment with the flow of the universe, which is one for constant expansion and constant abundance and ever increasing service and generosity, you align with the universe and your desires for financial success come bigger, better, and faster. Why? Because you've truly aligned with the universe. You've truly aligned with God. And so God or the universe returns that energy back into your life tenfold in terms of financial abundance. So any way you can incorporate that with the clients or the employees or the customers or whomever it is, and I would just say, I'm inspiring millions of people and making millions of dollars. That's what I would tell myself when I was making this YouTube channel. It was getting no progress. I was getting like a couple views. Some of you have seen my previous videos. I made another one a few days ago on the analytics in my YouTube channel where like I was getting on a fair amount of days negative subscribers in a day, and on a good day I was getting 4 or 5 subscribers. That's very hard to keep doing every day and invest time and money into when you're not getting any progress. To the channel blowing up, reaching millions of people a month, getting thousands and thousands and hundreds of thousands of subscribers. It happened because I was focused on inspiring millions of people, and then the universe took hold of one of my videos and blew it up, and then the channel took off. So when you step into that, of looking at how you can serve, what happens is the universe magnifies your financial intentions and rewards you tenfold. So see how you can incorporate that into your scripting process in order to expand the abundance you have in your life, and as a result, helping more people in that same regard as well. So thank you for watching this video. This is Law of Attracting Scripting to Manifest More Money. This technique changed my life, and I think if you incorporate all 3 of these as well, it's going to do the same thing for you. Come back and share your success story right there down below to inspire everyone else. I might just feature it in a new video. If you did not yet, make sure you download my free success hypnosis and use that, jakeshypnosis.com, right there down below, jakeshypnosis.com. Hit the subscribe button, the bell notification, and make sure you like this video. Liking this video so it supports the video and sends it out into the matrix of YouTube, out to a bunch of new people. So thank you for doing that. Thank you if you ever shared this video, share it on your Twitter, your Facebook, your Instagram, text it to your friend. Thank you to everyone who's done that and has shared this message and movement, which is all about all of us realizing we're more powerful than we can possibly imagine, and that we're meant to live an abundant, free, rich life, and that it's truly possible, but it begins by rewiring the subconscious. This scripting technique is designed to do that for you. So make sure that you comment down below, money comes to me now. Comment down below, money comes to me now. Comment that down below. And if you're gonna apply this scripting technique, comment down below, Jake, I'm all in. Jake, I'm all in. Comment that down below. I'm excited for you to have some amazing success with this and to come back and share your story. Have a beautiful day. I'll see you on the next video.